Good afternoon. Today our research webinar presentation title is Intellectual Property Rights, and I am Gopi Kumar, Associate Professor from SCAD College of Engineering and Technology. And today we are going to give an introduction on intellectual property rights and its basics and fundamentals. And this is the screenshot of IPR website. And this is the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internet Trade, and this is the official website. And in this website, it is clearly highlighted the patents, designs, trademarks, and geographical informations. And the other parameters such as news, updates, tender notice, events, all the parameters were highlighted in this website. And the next one about organizational structure, where the organizational structure is categorized in such a way that in Nagpur and head office is there, Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property and Management. And, the organizational structure is formed in such a way that apart from Nagpur, the offices were at Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, and respective design offices in Kolkata and trademark registry and Mumbai office. All those areas were highlighted in this website. And regarding geographical indications registry, the head office is Chennai. And this is all about organizational structure. Now, outline, where intellectual property rights outline is categorized in such a way that in two forms, as a tangible and intangible. Under tangible, it is categorized as movable, immovable, where movable, example, car, immovable as building. In similar way, intangible is categorized as intellectual property, where intellectual property is further subdivided into industrial property related, copyright related, where industrial property related is further subdivided into patent, design, trademark, and geographical indications. Now, outline, where the outline is subdivided as IPR as the major parameter, where the subdivisions are patents, copyrights, geographical indications, trademarks, and industrial designs. And altogether, IPR is an exclusive rights. It is given to a person over creation, and those creations were monitored or asserted during certain time period, and it is one of the legal right and one of the asset. And IPR is a monopoly, and it prevents others to use our work. And then, as introduction part, the intellectual property rights are recognized and accepted all over the world, and it will provide incentive. And if we register, it will be a recognition, and to ensure material reward, followed by that to make genuine and original products. And then types of IPR, where this is the main source, where under types it is categorized as patent, industrial design, trademark, copyright, and geographical indications. Under patent, it is inventions and technical solutions, where under inventions, products, process, materials, compositions are categorized. The technical solution is given for a technical problem. Under industrial design, external features and designing a new shape for car manufacturing, that would be comes under industrial design. And under a trademark, the major parameters were creating logo, slogans, and giving service or origin of goods and service. So those parameters were comes under trademarks. And considering copyrights, artistic, literary, musical, and dramatic creations, those parameters were being copyrighted. And whenever a new creation is explored and uh, comes into market, it may be copyrighted. And finally, fifth one, geographical indications, and it is based on a definite territory in India, especially in India. And the in specific, possessing special quality or reputation based unique characteristics are identified in specific geographical locations may be patented. And this is all about patents. And the fourth one, organizational structure. Now, organizational structure. The hierarchy is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. It comes under Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion. And the next level is Controller General of Patents, Designs, and Trademark. And followed by the hierarchy, the next level were Patent and Design Office, Trademarks Registry Office, Geographical Indications Registry, clearly highlights. Uh, the maximum protection period for patent is 20 years, and renewal period is every year it is mandatory to renewal. And act rules following patent is Patent Act 1970 amended in 2005. Now, trademarks, and the maximum protection period is lifelong, and renewal period every 10 years. The Trademark Act 1999 amended in 2010. And third parameter, apart from patent, trademark, now it is design. The maximum life for a design is 15 years, and renewal period is after 10 years. Then the Design Act 2000 and Design Amendment Rule 2014 is followed. Considering copyrights, the maximum protection period is 60 years, and renewal is not required. And it comes under Copyright Act 1957 amended in 2012. And finally, geographical indication, the maximum protection period is lifelong, and renewal period is 10 years, and it is practiced by Geographical Indications of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999. And all put together, patent will cease and be transferred to public domain if patents are not renewed within 6 months of expiry of consent year by paying renewal fee. So the thing is, whatever IPR we are getting, whether it may be patent or trademark, design, copyright, or geographical indications, we should follow the renewal norms. Now, comparison among those parameters IPR, where a single product can be protected by more than one IPR. Here is an example where the logo of Coca-Cola is an example for trademark, and shape of the bottle is an industrial design, and patent may be obtained in respect of bottling equipment. So patent may be given for equipment and shape for under industrial design. The shape of bottle is patented, and logo may be patented under trademark. And finally, the parameters, the data uploaded in website may be copyrighted. So this is all about the comparison for single product. Similar products were highlighted. Where for this ceiling fan, it may be patented for various aspects. And regarding geographical locations, Tirupati Laddu is highlighted, and we have discussed about Coca-Cola. And regarding iPhone, trademarks, the logo, the symbol, and considering Kolhapuri Chapel in case of the geographical indications. Now, information on patent. And in this case, inventor to protect others from possessing or using or selling the product. So this is all about information. And patent have territorial or jurisdictions. And registering patent may be followed in all countries. And patent application can be filed online in India by inventor or his assignee. And this is the official patent website. And other parameters regarding patent informations were is granted by Government of India for invention, and it is given to inventor or someone assignee, and it acts as a territorial right. And then in general, term of patent is 20 years from date of filing. Now, Patent Act and rules. As we have earlier, we have seen some of the major rules and acts. Even though it is, we can highlight that. In India, patent rights are governed by Patent Act 1970. At present, third amendment of Act known as the Patent Amendment Act 2005 is in force. And then for application of Patent Act, rules are made by government, which are known as Patent Rules 2003. As of now, Patent Amendment Rule 2006, and further updated in September 2015 are in force. And next one, for better understanding of Act and rules, Draft Manual of Patent Practice and Procedure (MPPP) 2008 is made by the Patent Office. So these are the informations about Patent Act and rules. And now, criteria of patentability. It should be novel, inventive step, or it must be non-obvious, capable of industrial application, not fall within the provision of Section 3 and 4 of the Patent Act 1970. And then some of the highlighting parameters in Patent Act 1917 were Section 3 and Section 4. Under Section 3, list which are not inventions. So, frivolous or obvious, contrary to well-established natural laws, injuries to public health, mere arrangement or rearrangement, discovery of scientific principle, discovery of living things or non-living substance in nature, method of agriculture or horticulture, and mathematical or business method or a computer programming. So these parameters are not inventions. And under Section 4, not patentable is atomic energy related factors are not patented. And now let us move on to industrial design. In this case, ornamental or aesthetic aspect of a useful article of industry. So normally designs are framed for aesthetic look. Example, in car manufacturing, design outline design is changing just for aesthetic value, and that is rewarded. And the next one, only the aesthetic visual form of a product, and in this case, if it is technical, it may be patent, nor distinguishing feature, it may be converted as trademarks. And third parameter is the ornamental or aesthetic aspects of an article consist of two parameters are highlighted. Number one, three-dimensional features such as the shape, surface, or texture of an article, followed by two-dimensional features such as pattern, line, or colors. Finally, design makes the product attractive and appealing to the customer and add to its commercial value for reason. So this is all about industrial design. In which factor those design may be considered. In this slide, it is some of the industrial designs were highlighted, where exclusive right against unauthorized copying. So protection normally lasts for an initial 10 years, after which it can usually be renewed for, in most cases, up to 15 years. Some of the designs were highlighted. Now, trademarks. As we have highlighted some of examples of trademarks, where it is generally it is brand or logo, a visual symbol such as a device, label, numerals, or combination of colors were highlighted for trademarks, and any name which is not unusual for trade to adopt as mark. And then shape of goods, device or symbol, combination of colors. So these parameters were highlighting parameter for trademarks. And some of the examples were Yahoo, BMW, Honda, Pepsi, Toyota. So these are trademarks. Adidas. Now, copyright. Copyright is a legal term describing rights given to creators for their literary and artistic works. So normally copyrights are the parameters based on literary work. Now the works covered by copyright, some of the works were highlighted. First one, literary works such as novels, poems, plays, reference works, newspaper articles, computer programming and databases, and films, musical compositions, artistic works, architecture work, advertisements. So these parameters comes under copyright. And copyright comes into existence as soon as the work is created and protect skill and labor employed by the creator in production of his work. So normally, whenever a literary work is carried out, after completing all the works, it may be released. After releasing the created work, it may be submitted for copyrights. Now, a term of copyrights. The life of an author normally 50, 60, 70 years, and the copywriting parameter for USA, Europe, India, and most other countries were highlighted. For most other countries, the term of copyright were 50 years, and in US and Europe it is 70 years, and in India it is 60 years. And finally, the fifth parameter, geographical indications, where geographical indications identify agricultural, natural, or manufactured goods associated with especially territory, region, locality. So these parameter plays a major role. Region, locality, territory. So goods or natural products developed in those regions are patented. Where the next one, it is highlighted as geographical indication gives protection to the group of people or associations involved in the production of the product using traditional skills and knowledge. So traditional skills and traditional knowledge is essential in geographical indications, and the manufactured goods should be produced or processed or prepared in that territory. And especially this gives a special quality to the product due to geographical or climatic environment, and reputation, specific manufacturing, farming skills, traditions, and other characteristics are basic parameter for filing patent. and it consists of the name of the place of origin, originates from a definite geographical territory. Some of the examples were highlighted, such as Darjeeling tea, Kanjipuram sari, Kolhapuri chappals, Tirupati laddu, Nagpur orange. These are patented parameter reflecting territory or region or locality. And with examples, it is highlighted: basmati rice, Darjeeling tree, tea, and then Kanjipuram silk sarees, Alfonso mango, Nagpur orange, and some of the parameters were highlighted. This is all about IPR. Thank you.